Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time, and first of all we have to turn off all of those switchers to be able to manually set the date, time and the time zone. So let's start with the date. After tapping on it you can change it by swiping, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time and tap on OK. Here we can select the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the list of available ones, so find yours and tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Here you can also change the time format. Currently we are using the automatic option, which is based on the system language, but you can set the 24-hour one or 12-hour format. It's totally up to you. Here you can also use the dual clock, so your device will show you two different clocks. The first one with the place from the place you're currently in, and the second one from any other place of your choice. So it's totally up to you, and if you want to you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.